At the end of February 2026, the northeastern United States, including the New England region, was hit by a powerful snowstorm caused by a strong northeaster cyclone that formed over the Atlantic Ocean, bringing extreme weather conditions from Maryland and Delaware to Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Hampshire, and Maine, with particularly severe conditions in Boston, Providence, and New York City, where 60 to nearly 100 centimeters of snow fell in a short period and wind gusts reached 80 to 130 kilometers per hour, causing blizzards, heavy snowdrifts, and severely reduced visibility. Major highways were closed, transportation was limited, thousands of flights were canceled, public transport was temporarily suspended, over 600,000 homes and businesses lost power due to damaged lines, schools and institutions were closed, emergency and utility services worked at full capacity, and daily life in many areas was practically paralyzed, making this storm one of the most significant winter weather events in recent years for the northeastern U.S. Residents shared dramatic footage online, showing streets completely buried and vehicles struggling to move, while meteorologists warned that cleanup and recovery could take several days. Many local authorities urged people to stay indoors and avoid non-essential travel, highlighting the dangerous conditions caused by the heavy snowfall and strong winds. The storm also drew attention worldwide, with media outlets covering the extreme winter weather and its impact on millions of people, emphasizing the power of nature and the importance of preparedness during severe snow events. If you found this information useful, support the content, subscribe to the channel, hit like, and click the bell to get the latest updates.